part of the orientation, I will be walking you through the navigation of this course. On the bottom of each week's lessons, you will see a Next button to get to the next lesson or task. The Next button on the bottom of this page will bring you to the orientation quiz. Please take this quiz as soon as you are done with this orientation, as it's required you complete this by the end of the first week of the class. At any time, you can click the Home menu button on the left to bring you back to the home page. From this home page, if you scroll down, you can quickly access each week's lessons. Alternatively, if you left a lesson before completing it, you can jump right back to where you left off by clicking on the Modules menu button. I'll demonstrate this in a few moments. On the right, you can see a to-do list of upcoming tasks and a calendar. On the bottom, there is a list of graded tasks. However, I recommend that you ignore this section as they're not organized in a logical order, and you might actually skip some of the lessons required to understand some of these assignments. Let's start off by exploring Week 1. When I click on Week 1, you can see a quick summary of the tasks to be completed for the week, objectives, so you know what skills you should be learning during the lesson, and lesson videos. These video lessons will help prepare you for the exams, projects, and homework. You may wish to take short notes during the lessons in your notebook so you don't forget important concepts. The PowerPoint slides used to make these videos are posted on the home page if you prefer to take notes that way. After you have finished watching the lesson videos, you can take the short lesson quiz. These quizzes can be taken multiple times and should prepare you for the homework. Each lesson goes right into the next by clicking on the Next button. However, you can stop at any time and pick up right where you left off by either going through the links on the home page or through the modules. By clicking on modules, you can jump to any lesson or activity, allowing you to pick up where you left off or some other point if you'd like to repeat an exercise already done or if you'd like to peek ahead. You can view your grades on each activity by clicking on Grades. Since most activities and homework can be redone until you receive full credit, checking on your grades will be useful throughout the term to ensure success. You can access feedback on projects and discussion boards here as well. Another menu option on the left are the discussions. You can click this link to post in the discussions, view new posts, or communicate with your classmates by asking and answering questions in the appropriate discussion thread. Going back to the home page, there is a list of supplemental materials towards the bottom. To do your homework and projects, you will need to use some technology. For example, in the video lessons, I might demonstrate how to find an average by hand. However, if you want to find the average of, let's say, 50 or 500 numbers, you'll want to use technology to do this. You have a choice to either use a calculator, Excel, and/or StatCrunch, statistical software that comes with MyStatLab. The tutorials here in the StatCrunch and Excel tutorials link and the STA2023 tutorials link will walk you through how to use these tools for the calculations and graphs needed in this class.